welcome to Collection Corner with Clarington Museums and Archives. We will be highlighting objects and stories from the collection, bringing Clarington's history to life. Today we'll be discovering the Dominion Organ and Piano Company. Multiple pianos and organs are featured in the 2021 exhibition Clarington at Work on display at the Sarah Jane Williams Heritage Center. The Dominion Organ and Piano Company made instruments in Bowmanville from 1873 to 1936 and had agents in England, South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, and Trinidad. The company was the offspring of a small organ and melodeon factory that moved to Bowmanville from Oshawa in 1873. In 1875, after a few name and location changes, a new factory was built on Temperance Street. From 1901, J.W. Alexander took on sole ownership and control of the factory until it closed in 1936. In the golden years of the company, their pianos and organs were sold and won many awards around the world for their excellence. By the 1930s, the company expanded into different forms of technology, such as player pianos and phonographs. The Great Depression, as well as the decline of interest in pianos and organs and the rise of the radio, caused the company to collapse. The Dominion Organ and Piano Company is remembered for providing employment to the area and for producing beautiful instruments. Thank you for joining us for Collection Corner. Check out more online exhibits and activities at claringtonmuseums.com.